Do you get stiffness in your back either first thing in the morning when you wake up or after you've been on your feet for a long period? If so, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Candy, and in this video, I'm going to show you two incredible back stretches that you can do to relieve back stiffness without having to get down on the floor. There are all kinds of great exercises that you can do to relieve back stiffness, but many people who have back pain have trouble getting down on the floor or getting back up from the floor to do exercises. So these are just two options that I think work really well, but I'm sure you and other people watching this video have some other stretches that you may do. So if you do have some stretches that work really well for you, share them down in the comments below so that you can help other people out. Now let's get started. So the first exercise here is for people who have back stiffness when they first wake up in the morning. And this is actually probably my second favorite of the two exercises, but it is something you can do while you're sitting down before you first get out of bed. Now there is a caveat that you want your feet to be able to touch the floor. So if you have a higher bed and your feet don't touch, you may want to move to a chair before doing this. But the way that you do this is it's going to be a stretch for your lower back extensors to stretch out these muscles back here, as well as your rotators. And the reason for that is because extension and rotation are a major cause of back pain. And so those are the muscles that tend to get stiff and tight. So the way that you do that is you lean forwards and then bring one elbow towards the opposite knee. So you get a little bit of forward bending or flexion in your lower back, and then a slight bit of side bending and rotation. Now, if you're doing this right, you should feel a good stretch along the side of your lower back. And you may or may not be able to get your elbow all the way to your knee. If you just get there or there or there, that's fine. Just do what feels comfortable for you. And then you want to hold that for about 30 seconds. And then move over to the other side. And again, just go as far as you can comfortably. You may notice that you're able to go farther to one direction than the other, and that's okay. And hold for about 30 seconds. So that's 1 minute. Now, the second exercise is actually probably my favorite for stiff back muscles. In fact, I do this a lot myself. And this one is going to be standing. So what you're going to do for this is you're going to do it in front of a door, holding onto a doorknob. But you want to make sure that the door is opening this way, because you're going to be pulling this direction on the doorknob. And you can usually do it standing straight back like this, just so you can see it a little better. I'm going to do it from this angle here. So you hold onto the doorknob, and again, your lower back is in forward bending or flexion. It also helps extend your upper back, which a lot of people have trouble straightening up their upper back. We spend a lot of time in a rounded forward position like that, and so people tend to get a slumped chest, and this helps both stretch out your lower back extensors as well as get you some upper back extension. You can add variations, again, adding in a little bit of side bending one way so you get a stronger stretch along this side, or side bending the other way so you get a stronger stretch along the other side. And play around, just go to where you feel it the most. You may notice that you need it more on one side than the other, so you can spend a little bit more time doing it towards that side. You want the overall stretch time to be close to about a minute or so. So in about 2 minutes, you get your stiff back muscles loosened up and hopefully feel better throughout the day. Now, if you do need more help for back pain and you're in the St. Louis area, we'd be happy to help you out here at More for Life. And no matter where you're watching this from, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.